Sometimes people ask me how to create a good educational video or the video which can be helpful for the students to learn the concepts better way. Now let's understand that what makes a good educational video. Just like a traditional teaching, there is more to creating a good educational video than just showing up. Engage with your students. Great educational videos like great in-person lectures should be engaging for students, keeping them interested and actively listening about the concept and learning the things effectively. There are many ways to ensure the educational videos are engaging, but perhaps the most important way is to ensure that you inject your personality in the educational video. Impersonal video lectures are boring and almost certainly make your students tune out. Just like your face-to-face lectures, your enthusiasm for the course content should shine through. Make your students as excited to learn the material as you are excited to teach it them. In the educational video, you can also add or include the things like interactive quizzes to keep the students on their toes and video hotspots that allow students to seek out more information on the topics that interest to them. Then we will also have to keep in mind the right size of a good educational video. Common wisdom on the educational video length is shorter is better, and while that's good guideline, it's more accurate to say that your video should be the right length for the subject matter, because we may be used to longer in-person class sessions, but it's tempting to do the same thing with the video. But to truly leverage the advantage of this type of learning, your video should be easily digestible, depending on the subject, that may be from 2 minutes to 20 minutes, keeping in the mind that your students have some cognitive load and the difficulty of that learning content. It should also consider the video's learning goals. Most importantly, don't try to do so much, and remember that you can always break up more complex concepts into the smaller videos to make them more easily understandable. The good educational video is always a focused video. Making sure your videos are focused on a single topic or the selection of related topic is very much important. It is also directly related to the video length and the engagement of the students. Videos that try to do too much or that mean ever or that has topic to topic with a less effective or will cause students to lose interest. Make sure each video has a clear learning objective and then make the video that accomplishes that objective. Nothing more, nothing less. Now understand what exactly your students want from these videos. If you keep the student at the center of the needs, then this will be giving you a good results. What do your students need to know about the subject and what they need to become successful? But more importantly, what don't they need? This goes beyond the pure content. Like, don't create the videos without understanding the need of the student. Think about the things like how students will consume the content. Will most of them be at a traditional computer? Will they be on the mobile devices? Will they listen with a sound or rely on the visual aspects? Knowing what your students need and expect from the video will go in a long way toward ensuring their success.